In this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap your Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain or Polygon tokens with ParaSwap. For more information, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. ParaSwap, similar to the likes of 1inch, is a DEX aggregator, and it pulls in more than 20 different decentralized exchanges, and it does that into a single place. These include the likes of Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap and 0x. And because it's decentralized, you don't need to go through any sign-up process, KYC or verification, as all you'll need to do is connect up a supported wallet. When you go on ParaSwap and check the price of a certain token, ParaSwap will go through all the different exchanges that support your pair, and it'll find you the best rate. And sometimes, getting the best deal for your trade may require splitting your order between two different exchanges. With ParaSwap, there's not just the ability to swap and interact with the Ethereum network, but you can also connect to Polygon or the Binance Smart Chain too for cheaper transaction costs. Plus, it's also now integrated into Ledger Live Manager too, so that you can swap directly from the safety of your ledger without having to leave Ledger Live. And I've got a separate tutorial for that if you're interested in finding out more. So let's jump in. And to get started, you'll need a supported Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask, Wallet Connect for the likes of Trust Wallet, or hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. And the wallet that you select must be connected to the right network. As I explained, ParaSwap not only connects to Ethereum, but also to the likes of Polygon and the Binance Smart Chain, which could help you to save on some fees. For example, as you can see beside ParaSwap right now, this is connected to the Ethereum network, and they've got an estimated cost at the bottom here, which is currently close to around $7. But if I choose the Binance Smart Chain, the swaps are cheaper at around 33 cents. And with Polygon, it's pretty much zero. So if you're currently choosing the Binance Smart Chain or Polygon networks, you're going to need to ensure that your wallet is connected to those networks. If you're not too sure how to do that, I've got tutorials available for both connecting Polygon and the Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. So today, I'm going to be using the Binance Smart Chain, which I'm going to connect in my MetaMask. Then if I choose to connect wallet on ParaSwap, I can then select MetaMask. Or alternatively, you can use Wallet Connect if you're using the likes of the Trust Wallet. And these options will change depending on which network you've selected. Once connected, it then shows your wallet address in the top right-hand side of the screen. You have your settings beside that, where you can change your slippage tolerance, the gas fee speeds, and you can toggle from light to dark mode. Plus, you can also choose the exchanges that you'd like enabled from the list here. On the left, you have the Swap Token section, where you can select the tokens that you'd like to swap from and to. When you select the pair that you want to exchange, you'll see the graph appearing on the right-hand side for that pair, and it will show you the price changes over specific periods of time. Plus, you'll also see the estimated amount that you're going to receive. Underneath there's the swap and transfer toggle button. So if you want to send the received tokens to a different account or a different address, click onto this, then simply enter in the address of the account and confirm the address is correct. And sending two different operations in a single transaction will allow you to save on fees. Then you have the estimated cost, the price impact, and the minimum amount that you're going to receive. In the centre of the screen here, you'll see the route that this swap is taking. Sometimes you'll find that the token needs to change into another one first before it gets to the token that you want. But this will all be taken care of for you as part of your swap. And it shows all the different exchanges and the price compared to ParaSwap too, so that you know that you're getting the best rates. So let's go ahead with an example now. And at the moment, you'll see that I don't have a sufficient balance of BNB to swap. Plus, I'm also going to need some BNB in my wallet to pay for the gas fees. And you can use the likes of the Binance Exchange to buy or trade for your BNB tokens, which is where I've currently got mine stored. If you don't already have a Binance account, I've got a link in the summary below that will get you some money off your trading fees. So over on Binance, if we select BNB and choose to withdraw, I'll need to copy the address from over on my MetaMask wallet. And again, you'll need to ensure that you're connected to the right network here for the tokens that you're sending across. Then we can copy that by clicking onto the address. Then paste in the withdrawal address, where you'll see that it's automatically picked up the fact that it's the Binance Smart Chain address. And I'm going to send across all my tokens, which is roughly 0.16 BNB. So I'll go ahead and withdraw that now. Then if I open my MetaMask wallet, you can then see that I have my BNB balance showing. Plus it's also showing on the swap token side of the screen beside the word pay. And I'd like to swap my BNB tokens for the PancakeSwap token, Cake. Then I'd like to swap all of my tokens, which I'm going to do by clicking onto Max. Then select Cake from the drop-down beside Receive. And you'll see that I'm currently going to get just over 3.5 Cake tokens. In the centre, it shows me the route that this swap is taking, which is through the exchange called ParaSwap. And it'll let you know which dexes it's going to be using for this swap, which is 100% via ParaSwap. And as I said, sometimes this might be split between several different exchanges just to get you the best rate. And we can see the estimated costs now in terms of our fees, the price impact, and the minimum amount that we're going to receive. As I mentioned earlier, you can also set an alternative address just so that your cake goes to another address. But I'm going to go ahead and keep that within my MetaMask wallet. Now to go ahead with your swap, you might find that like with many different dexes, you first need to unlock your tokens before you can go ahead and swap them. This will all depend on whether or not you've approved or unlocked these permanently previously within your wallet, which I actually have, so it's not coming up for me. But you would need to go ahead and approve the transaction and pay a small gas fee at this stage. But I'm going to go ahead and swap now, where a review and confirm window will then appear. Then you can check out what you're swapping from here. You can edit the gas price here if you like, the slippage rate, plus there's an overview of the transaction, and it states that the gas fee here will be around 26 cents. So I'm going to confirm. And I'll then need to confirm that within my MetaMask wallet too. Once the transaction is confirmed, for some reason I've been logged out of MetaMask, so I'm just going to log back in. And under the Activity tab, you'll see the swap that we've just done. If we click onto Assets, you'll then see your Cake tokens appearing. Now if for any reason they don't appear, but the transaction was complete and successful, head across to the likes of CoinMarketCap and search for your token, which is obviously Cake in this example. Then on the left hand side of the screen here, beside Contract, you'll find a MetaMask icon where you can add to MetaMask. And once you've done that, your tokens will then appear within your wallet. And the same process would apply if you were swapping tokens on Ethereum, where you'd need to ensure that your wallet is connected to the Ethereum network. Plus you're going to need some ETH to pay for the gas fees. Or Matic if you're connected to the Polygon network. Then finally, if you want to disconnect your wallet address from within ParaSwap, you simply click onto the address in the top right hand side of the screen, then choose the icon on the far right to disconnect account. But that completes how you can swap your Binance, Matic or Ethereum tokens from within ParaSwap. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.